Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, you guys already know what to do. Do not forget to hit the like button and hit the red subscribe button. Really does help out my channel a lot, so your support would be greatly appreciated. But before I begin, guys, just a quick disclaimer for you guys. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are still holding very, very strong at the $940 billion market cap. Very nice to see market is holding where it was just 2 days ago, and that's definitely something nice to see. But nothing to be getting super excited about right now because we're not at some certain price levels for the price of Bitcoin for me personally to be getting excited about. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 41.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see majority of the markets continuing to carry this green across the board within the markets, and that's definitely something we want to be seeing right now. But again, as I mentioned, nothing to be getting super excited about, but we will definitely take that. But today, guys, I want to look deeper into none other than one project we absolutely love on our channel, and that is none other than Solana. All right, my Solana family, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. And I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for really showing so much support. But this video is very important. So if you guys are a holder and are a viewer on my channel, you want to watch this video till the absolute end. Solana's current price right now is $35. And, it is up 0.5% in the last 24 hours in BTC comparative. Ranking in the cryptocurrency market rank is still holding very strong at that top 9 spot with a market cap of $12 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at $1.7 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 31.2%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices for Solana. But now let's go into this crazy article that I want to share with you guys. A lot of uncertainty within the Solana's ecosystem right now and the community. A lot of FUD going across the board. And I want to share this article with you guys, especially if you guys are not familiar with this. So let's get right into it. Solana says investor at center of Solana DeFi controversy started to move funds. All right. A large wallet at the center of the governance drama at Solana lending platform SolEnd started to move millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies Tuesday morning, SolEnd said in a tweet. The move potentially averts the risk of contagion in case of liquidation that could have caused hundreds of millions of dollars in losses. And, the anonymous wallet had deposited 95% of SolEnd's pool of Solana tokens and represented 88% of USDC borrowing, but came up close to a margin call last week as the Solana price dropped more than 40% to as low as $27. Now, keep in mind, the protocol would have automatically liquidated up to 20% of the large investors' collateral if the price of Solana hit $22.30, which is pretty close, and potentially led to a damage in the broader Solana ecosystem. A governance vote was floated by protocol developers to take control of the account and take steps to manage the risk. And this has been causing a lot of, mixed thoughts within the markets. The wallet action Tuesday came as the Solana price rose by 12% over 24 hours to $37. That means the liquidation levels are far below current prices, allowing the wallet users to take necessary steps to prevent overseen damages in the case of liquidation. Very interesting. A lot of FUD across the board. But one thing I'm going to share with you guys is, the price of Solana really did not react. It did not react to this. And, this was massive because this could have impacted a major price drop within the price of Solana. A lot of market manipulation happening. But, a lot of different thoughts are going on right now. A lot of people are saying, this is not good because they have so much power to take control of your funds, and that's not right. I get that part, but when you are looking at the broader picture, you can really get to see that this was whale manipulation and innocent investors would have lost millions and millions of dollars. And we need to keep that factor into mind when we are looking at this very interesting situation going on. Everyone has their own opinions, and I respect everyone's opinions. But in my opinion, in this case, in this situation, when this type of magnitude is, this type of magnitude of a drop could have happened, I believe what they did is absolutely correct. But leave your comment down below to let me know your thoughts. I'm open to criticism. But now looking at the price for Solana, 1 hour time frame. Look what's going on with the price of Solana, guys. Even though there's so much negativity within the, price of Solana right now, a lot of uncertainty, a lot of FUD across the board, still, Solana has been creating higher lows, as you guys can see. Higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and once again, another higher low. So you can clearly see the price of Solana is in an upwards trend. And that is no secret right now. And one thing to make clear for you guys, I saw 2 individuals on my comment section saying, don't listen to this guy, this and that. A lot of, negativity within the comment section. Not everyone. I love my supporters, the day one supporters, the regular supporters. I love you guys. I thank you so much for always supporting me. But there were these 2 individuals that were just saying, oh, don't listen to this guy, this and that. Solana is going to zero. And listen, let's get one thing straight. You can go watch my video from the start of this channel's existence. Every single video, I start off by saying a disclaimer. A disclaimer is I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not telling you guys to go buy Solana or go do this or go do that. This is my own personal opinion, and I like sharing my personal opinion with my viewers. And everyone knows that this market is very, very volatile. If the price of Bitcoin takes a hit tomorrow or the next day after, which no one knows when it's going to happen, it can definitely happen. This market is not regulated. If that were to occur, guess what? Everything can get invalidated. And obviously when manipulations such as the one that I shared with you guys can occur, and this is very possible, this can definitely occur. These are risk factors. If there were no risks, guess what? Everyone would be getting rich. Everyone would be getting rich. And this is where you want to minimize your risk by investing where you can afford to lose, doing your own due diligence. And I cannot stress this enough. I just wanted to point this out for you guys, especially those 2 individuals that left these comments. And to all my viewers that regularly support me, I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for showing love. But I have to bring this to certain people's attention, so they understand as to what is going on. But when I'm doing this YouTube game, you're gonna get hate. That's definitely something a content creator accepts. But it's just unfortunate when people take it to another level. But looking at the price of Solana right now, if we are going on the daily time frame, look at the daily time frame, guys. We're still hovering, still within this range, still not seeing the price of Solana go down to the $18.57. Very, very nice to see. And the price of Bitcoin has been holding very, very nicely as well. But as you guys may know, as I mentioned, Bitcoin is not sitting at some levels that I need for the price of Bitcoin to be sitting at, which is at the $22,000 mark. I cannot stress this enough. Price of Bitcoin needs to go to those levels as soon as possible. And once it gets there, then I will have some sort of confidence, some sort of relief. Until then, I'm not getting too optimistic because we're still not out of the woods just yet. Where could I see the price of Solana go in the immediate short term if the price of Bitcoin were not to, too much volatility within its price? I could see Solana make its way back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at that $57.50. I'm very, very confident that we will be able to see that price happen very, very fast, especially if the price of Bitcoin slowly creeps up to the levels I have been mentioning. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is going to play a major factor as well. Currently 44%, BTC dominance index. A lot of money is flowing from Bitcoin into altcoins because, a lot of people are getting, a little bit more calmer because some people are saying the bottom is in for the price of Bitcoin. In my case, I definitely am not optimistic the bottom is in until $22,000. Until then, I believe we can still head back down to those levels. But like I said, if the price of Bitcoin continues to go up to $22,000 to $23,000 level and it stays there, straight sideways, I don't care if it's for a month, I do see the price of Solana start heading back to those price levels I have mentioned for you guys. But let's not forget, we are creating higher lows. The price is definitely in an upwards trend, and the charts are right in front of you, and it speaks for itself. But do not forget to like this video, guys. Thank you so much for all the support. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now and where you could see the price of Solana go at the end of this year. And let me know your thoughts about this whole situation that is going on. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to hit the like button and hit the red subscribe button. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.